Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today we are going to do our first ride, first impressions on the RSF 650 wheels on the upgraded MX500. Got to apologize in advance. I don't have my mic adapter, so we're going to be just on the internal GoPro mic tonight, but I'll throw in voiceovers and everything as appropriate. But let's freaking ride. We're going to a group ride. Should be fun. I also threw on new brake pads in the rear, so hopefully there's gonna be no loops. I mean, I don't want to jinx myself, but the brake pull is so much less now. I used to have to pull the lever all the way in to the bars to get it to stop. Oh. Oh. This feels awesome. RSF wheels, it's so much smoother. It also wheelies so much straighter. Like with the MX wheels, they're super skinny, so it's really easy to go back and forth. These just go straight on. I have to say, with these wheels, it's also a much quieter ride. Whenever you're going like 20 or above, you get the sound of the knobbies, similar to a dirt bike on the highway. So you don't hear that at all with these wheels and tires. Plus, it's just so much more nimble. You can lean it up a lot further. Just is all around a big improvement, in my opinion. I gotta say, it feels so much more stable at speed too. So much more stable. Nice new pads, baby. See how she curb hops? Not a problem with the new suspension. Pulling up to the spot. I definitely could never vlog with a mic on my, or with no mic on my gas bike, that's for sure. E-bike makes it a little easier. Only thing we gotta fight is the wind. Oh, we took the turn too. Oh. What up? How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good.
5,000 watts, and I got a 76 volt battery in there. It, like, most people don't fashion these back on, but I feel like it looks better with those on. It's a little cleaner.
People have no idea what they're looking at.
Yeah.
Scooter tour. Yes, scooter tour is scooterless.
Rogers wrapped his bike. Supreme. He did a pretty good job. All right, we're gonna get some circles in before we leave here. Thank you, sir. Dude, what kind of bike is it? It's a stealth bomber? Yeah, those are sweet. We're not gonna make it. Oh, someone just ate shit. I've said it before, guys, and I'll say it again. Electric group rides are always so sketchy to me. Just can't hear shit. Oh yeah, wheelies are so nice on this thing now. I can get them so slow too. Correct. Correct. Oh.
Come on.
I gotta piss so bad. Gotta pee so bad. Everyone's ripping. Whoa. But yeah, guys, these RSF wheels are light years better than the stock.
Oh man, that baby fast too. Look at the heat right here. 76 volts. That should be flying. Yeah, Connor, rip it up, boy. Yeah.
Fly by all these fools. All right, let's take this turn. We can do it. Yes, we can. Haha. Can we take this one? Oh, almost. This is a cool little area. It's a fun little track though. Oh guys, I haven't been recording or wheeling just because I have to pee so damn bad. Beautiful, right on the Delaware here. Oh, the urge to pee is so bad. All right, I legit just emptied a gallon of fluid from my body. Now we gotta go find the group. I don't see him though. Well guys, I lost the group, but it's all good. Gonna head home. Don't have a ton of battery anyways. But yeah, I absolutely love these RSF wheels, guys. Can't complain at all. They're so nice, they're so smooth. Such an improvement over stock. Can't say it's a great feeling riding without the pack because you have strength in numbers, or rather protection in numbers. I'm a solo dolo right now, but hopefully we make it back. All right, and we're back to where we started. What up? Haha, almost took the turn. Well guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got 1,750 subs now. Let's try to get to 2K. That would be super sick. But the wheels, they look awesome. They feel awesome. They wheel awesome. So I will catch you next time. Stay tuned. Peace.